Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset LinkedIn password on Android. Easy fix step by step clearly. To reset your LinkedIn password on Android, start by opening the LinkedIn app on your device. On the app's login page, tap on the Forgot Password link. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your LinkedIn account. After inputting your email, tap on the Submit button. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from LinkedIn. If you don't see it, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click on the password reset link provided. This will redirect you to a new page in your browser or the app. Enter your new password in the required field. Make sure to create a strong password that you haven't used before. Re-enter the new password to confirm it. Once confirmed, tap on the Save or Reset Password button. You will receive a notification that your password has been successfully reset. Now return to the LinkedIn app. Enter your email and the new password you just set. Tap the Sign In button to log into your account. You're now all set with your new LinkedIn password. Enjoy exploring your connections and opportunities on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.